Now, for stacking and backfilling, once they're in position, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fill the cavity here, and then fill the space between two cavities, so that when your base course is done, you've got soil right to the top of these rails here and here. So your grade, your ground at the toe of this wall is here, and everything is full of soil. And when I say soil, I would recommend you use a compost-based soil, because compost that's properly made is free of weed seed and any kind of opportunistic things that would grow maybe in topsoil. So you can introduce the plant material you want, and you've got really good substrate here, really good nutrients, bacteria, fungi for your new plants to be very successful without things that were already seeded in there coming up and causing a maintenance issue. So I would also recommend that you take your compost-based media and blend in some granular with it. So maybe some sand or something like that, so that it's not just all compost. But for the most part, compost isn't all organic material. There's a lot of mineral in compost. So it's fine if you're using just compost alone.